Hi everybody, my name is Jamie Francis and I am a library media specialist for the Olathe School District here in Olathe, Kansas. I actually just moved back to Olathe this summer. I had taught on Fort Riley for the 6 years prior to that. And this is my 9th year overall, but my 3rd year in library. So I actually just in the last May completed my master's for library media, which half of the courses overlap between library media and instructional technology. So this being my first class for the instructional technology program, I've actually already done half of the required courses. I just have to kind of do some different ones in the process to make up for the ones that I've already done. So I'm really looking forward to all of these classes. I know when I first decided to go for library media, I had a really hard time going back and forth between, okay, what is it exactly that I want to be able to do in the future with the degree that I have. And so what I really liked about library media is that it incorporated obviously the library side of things, but also the instructional technology, because I knew that technology was kind of where my heart is as far as teaching, and I absolutely adore being able to integrate technology into the library and the projects I get to do with kids. So this is just kind of me taking it a step further and maybe opening some doors a little further down the road. I'm very happy with library right now, but could also look to going into more of a technology specific role later. So Google, I absolutely love. The first thing I do on all the computers is set up Google Chrome. I definitely prefer it to kind of the Windows, Office 365. I think it has some really great tools, but I love how user-friendly Google is, and I love how, basically everything you need is in one place. I've come from districts where we weren't really on the Google side of things. We definitely did more with Office 365. Now that I'm in Olathe, all the students have, we have 1-to-2 ratio of iPads. And so a lot of the projects that I do in class, I'm still trying to figure out what's the best way for students to share those things back with me. I'm only just really going to start getting them onto Office 365. The way the district has the student email set up, it just makes it a little bit tricky. So I believe that Google has it available where I could set up my own page and then have student emails. Even if I had to generate each one, I understand that would be pretty possible, but something that I'd be willing to do just so that I have kind of the hub and the place where I can get all my kids turning in assignments to me and having those discussions online and everything else. I just think it would be a really great tool. So I'm really excited for this class. I think it's going to open up a lot of new avenues for me and how I'm going to use Google in my library. And I'm really looking forward to learning with all of you guys. So thank you.